Hey, good afternoon, everybody. And this is the side of the bus after it's all been untaped. And right here, I was taking that circular emblem off. It was discolored there, but after I polished it, it all came right out. So that's not too bad. But anyway, I got bored with doing that, and I didn't want to have to polish the whole side of the bus. It was hurting my back, so I'm going to save that for later. I'll show you what I am doing though. I'm working on the inside of the bus. Well, I wasn't very happy with this corner right here on the bathroom, and so I put a corner on this, an edge right here, screwed it on. That way you don't see the edge of the plywood here from when I mated the corner together, and that'll be a nice tough edge, so bumping things going in and out, it isn't going to hurt it any. It's kind of a protruding area. I thought about doing it in wood, but all I could find in that angle was pine, and it wouldn't match the interior. It's way too light. I think it would look better with the with this metal on it, so it'll match the rest of it on the door and the rest of the cabinet there. So I'm going to put a piece of wood in here, fill this gap here, and I'm also going to put this piece in right here, because that covers, see the plywood edge here? This will cover that. Got a nice little rounded top. I think that'll look okay. And what I'm going to use is, yeah, I know, I told you I didn't like to nail things, but nothing real structural. This will just be just a couple pieces of trim, and I'm using little brads so you won't be able to see them. I think that'll look better than trying to put screws in this or something. So I'm going to go ahead and nail this on, and give me a second here. Hey campers, doesn't that look cozy? I think it does. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and nail this on here now. I need some light though, so we'll get rid of the coziness. There we go. And here we go, right here. And we'll put one in on this side, just for good measure. There. Nice and solid. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, campers. Warm in here. I was running all over the shop, back and forth to the workroom over there and back, looking for this piece of wood, and I couldn't find it anywhere. Now it won't stay away from me. But anyway, after I searched and searched for it, went back and forth and looked everywhere I could think of, it was laying right down here on the floor at the base of this bed, and it was got camouflaged or something. I just didn't see it, and I just found it a second ago. So last segment I did was 20 minutes ago. That's how long I've been goofing around with this. I'm starting to get angry. I'm using 1.25" brads, so they won't go through 2 layers of 3/4. This is 3/4 and the plywood's 3/4. So I just want to make sure we don't have any problems with nails sticking out on the back side anywhere. There, that cleaned that up really nice. I'm happy with that. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay guys, I kind of want to jump around a little bit here. Let me make sure you can see here. There we go. And I think I want to take this off and paint it. I know I'm jumping around a little bit. I got almost all the screws out of it. And this spot down here where the safety catch is, it wouldn't come over top of the safety catch without disassembling that from the inside. So I just notched it out so I can pull it away. See, I cut a notch out of it here. I'll get that cleaned up. But yeah, I think I'm going to paint this gray. I think gray would look really nice on it. And I think I'm going to farm around in here and figure out where the power wire is, and run me a hot wire from the fuse panel over there off of the house batteries, and get me a little key remote so I can open this door with a key remote. I think that would be perfect. That way when you get out of it and you want to go somewhere, you can just hit your key remote and it will lock it up for you. You don't have to come in here and turn the key on and flip the switch. Then, you know, come back around to this side. It's a real pain. So let's see how this goes. Okay, campers, I've got this thing all wiped down, and I also used a real clean cloth on it after I wiped it all down with solvent, and I just used some Carbrite glass cleaner on it. Thought I had it real clean to begin with, but look at this. This is after I washed it off with the window cleaner. So that's okay. It wiped it down real good with that lint-free cloth. So now I'm going to use Sim Sand Free. This is a adhesion promoter, so you don't have to sand the plastic, and it's made for ASB, PVC, and all kind of similar plastics to that. And this is just like that color blender. You just stand back and you put a nice dusting over it. That's it. You don't want too much of this stuff on there. And I took the latches out of this door. I'm going to paint the inside of this door too, and the jambs. Make it look nice. Just a nice light coat, just so we get adhesion. And also, I found my old respirator. It even has some brand new filters in there, but they've been in here so long, look, the filters turned yellow. Yeah, these have been in there since like, geez, 91. Because I went to a full face and didn't use this anymore, but I found this thing, and it's a good automotive grade respirator, so I'm going to wear that when I go ahead and put the color coat on. I'm going to do it in the same color as we did last time. It's Thomas Bus Gray, and I don't believe this is the lid to it. Yeah, see, that's olive green lid. It's just a lid I threw on it. But Thomas Bus Gray is what I'm going to spray it with. That's the same one I did the emergency hatch with, so it'll all look uniform. And I got to go dig up my other can, and I'm going to let this dry, and I'll be back with you here in a minute. Okay there, everybody. I've got it outside because my son was complaining that his office was getting all stinky inside. So I'm going to have to do it out here. Might be a little windy. I've got some medium gray. Those two cans there are only half full, so I have to be careful. So I'm going to put a medium gray base down, and I'll go back over it with that to give it its final color. Make the color match. That didn't work. I gotta shake this up some more, guys, so I'll be right back with you. Okay, I think I'm ready if you guys are. So here we go. Wow. Wind is really carrying it away. I'm outside, so I'm not wearing my respirator. I'm terrible. Don't do as I do. Remember, nice even coats. We're not spraying for coverage. We're just putting the tack coat down. You load it up too much, it causes you problems. Whoa, man, that didn't even go on the panel. It blew so hard. Let's give it a second here. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting real close to this panel, and I shouldn't be this close. You have to be really careful if you're going to do it like that. You can just leave a big old run across there if you're not careful. Boy, wind's just whistling. Okay, we got a tack coat on it. I'll hit it one more time after that, and then I'll hit it with the Thomas Bus Gray, and that's the stuff we want as the color coat. I'll be back with you in a minute as soon as this dries. Hey, sorry guys, I had to move it inside. It was just too windy out there, and I put the last coat on this with the right color, and it came out really nice. Sorry I didn't show it to you. It was just it was too confined in here, and there's no way to make it happen. I'd have been standing in front of the panel right here while I was spraying. And heck, the bus is just right here, see? So I did my best, but you saw me spray the outside. You get the idea what I was doing. So I just continued on. I put another medium coat on. Then when it comes to this color coat here, the final coat, I laid it on like about twice as heavy. And you know, just got a nice even full coat on there. And now I'm just going to let it dry, and it's going to be fine. It has 3 coats on it. So I guess I'm going to start working on the other one in the bus here. I'll show you which one. This guy right here goes up here, goes around the 2 side windows and up to the top, and that's where the other one mounts, right up there. So it'll be gray, then this will all be gray. And I won't have any more yellow in the bus. I don't know why they paint these things that ugly yellow. I would have just left them white. And I thought they had just yellowed out over time, but that isn't what happens here. They actually paint them that color. And it's horrible. I can't think of a more of a horrible color than this. Looks like something you'd see in a prison or something. Not that I would know. Start a bunch of rumors. Yeah, I got to tape off that little sign up there too. But see all these little caps right here? I got a whole bunch of them for this one up here. And I got just a little spattering of paint left. So out of that 1/2 can. So I'm going to go find them, and I don't even have to find them. I think they're in here. I got all the lights off in here right now. Yeah, they're right there. Yeah, all these old rusty screws. I'm going to have to go get me some more of those. But yeah, I'm going to take all these little caps here and paint them the right color. And get me a little piece of cardboard and lay them out. And get those done too. So I don't know how long this video is getting. I think it's probably getting pretty close to its end. But we will continue on the next one after this. So I'm going to have to thank you all for watching me, and I'll catch you on the next video.